Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn electric circuits together, step by step. An electric circuit moves charge around a loop. Current is the rate of that charge flow, measured in amperes. Voltage is the energy that pushes the charge, measured in volts. Resistance opposes the flow and is measured in ohms. Ohm's law ties them together neatly. Voltage equals current times resistance. Raise the voltage and current rises. Raise the resistance and current falls. Components can be wired two ways. In series, there's a single path, so the same current flows through every part, and resistances simply add up. In parallel, the current splits among separate branches, giving it more routes, which actually lowers the total resistance. Knowing which arrangement you have lets you predict how much current each component receives. House wiring uses parallel, so devices work independently. A 12-volt battery connects to a single 4-ohm resistor. To find the current, rearrange Ohm's law. Current equals voltage divided by resistance. That's 12 divided by 4, which gives 3 amperes. So 3 amperes of current flow around this simple loop. If we swapped in a larger resistor, the same battery would drive less current. Ohm's law makes it predictable. Now put a 3-ohm and a 6-ohm resistor in series with an 18-volt battery. In series, resistances add, so the total is 9 ohms. The current is voltage over total resistance, 18 divided by 9, which is 2 amperes. Because it's a single path, that same 2 amperes flows through both resistors. Series circuits share one current everywhere. Let's recap circuits. Voltage pushes, current flows, and resistance opposes, all linked by Ohm's law. Series components add their resistances and carry one common current, while parallel branches lower total resistance by offering extra paths. With these rules, you can analyze the circuits in your phone, your home, and beyond. Fantastic work powering through this lesson. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.